So just keep going to the next exit. There's a Comfort Inn. That's where you want to stay, not the Dragonfly Motel.
Next exit, Comfort Inn.
Too many Chewies. Did you guys get that in the song? That's only a North Country song right there. If I go sing that in Nashville, they're going to be like, what's a Chewie, y'all? I'll be like, you need to come to the North Country and you need to learn this new word. It's the coolest word of all time. I love it. Anyway,
What is it, a bed bug?
I'm going to have to talk to you about that after. I want to know more. And Michigan. I thought it was always cheesy poops. So Kevin, he works at Dick's Country Store, as you guys know, right? He is also an amazing guitar player. I feel so blessed to be playing with you. And Michael, who has been drumming forever and has played in 31 and mandolin and has now joined our group. I can't be happier. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for coming to the open mic. And I was thinking we would maybe do you guys want to do Burning Rain? Or maybe Take Me Where You Are for the last song? They're so easy going. They match and they're easy going. Have it made.
Burning Rain.
Burning Rain. This is going to be probably the title of my next CD. Actually, it is going to be because all the artwork and stuff is almost done. So I hope you like it. We would love to come back here and do a full show. We'll talk to Michael after, but it'd be so cool to do the CD release here. Yeah, this is called Burning Rain. It's about love and life and the highs and lows and how beautiful. Like imagine like the skyline. There's a storm coming in, but it's so beautiful, but it's harsh at the same time. That's what this is about. Just gotta refresh the chords in my mind here. Okay. Like Josee, we did this just last week. I'm like, I know, but
That was just last week.
no, 2 weeks ago. We played Titus 2 weeks ago, right? Oh, you guys, we should let you know this is so cool. We're opening for this tribute to Journey band. They're called Absolute Journey, but it's a fundraiser for Holy Family, and it's in Malone right here at the middle school, April 6th. So we're going to open for this band, Absolute Journey. So just letting you guys know, put that on your calendar. What a fun time that's going to be. Dude, that's a fundraiser, and it's a great cause. So anyway, back to the beautiful storm song called Burning Rain. I'm trying to figure you out and decipher the password to your heart. I'm learning, you want me to think that it's easier to give up. I'm not turning back for reasons which I can't explain. Pushing through is worth the pain. I was scared, but now I'm safe. Your love is like burning rain. We're fighting. feelings which I can't explain. Pushing through is worth the pain. And I was scared, but now I'm safe. Your love is like burning away. Burning Rain.